Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Instaplay wireless soundbar. From the box, from the picture on the box, you can tell what the soundbar is going to look like. We'll quickly take a look at what other information we can find on the box. Okay, over here it's written that this particular soundbar is powered by Bluetooth, has USB compatibility, AUX-Cable connectivity and a lithium-ion battery. Do we have any extra information here? No, other than the fact that this is a 20-watt soundbar. It has two 10-watt speakers, that makes it 20 watts basically. And it also has a built-in 2000 mAh battery that allows you to take your soundbar anywhere. Great, now let's open this box. This is it, this is what the soundbar looks like. I will pull it out. And there's another box here that seems to have some more stuff. A lot of paraphernalia here and document as well. This is a registration certificate for Instaplay. Alright, so this is a safety and general information for the same. There you can see. I'll leave this here. There's some wires over here as well. Okay, this is a micro USB charging cable. Here you can see a micro USB charging cable with a USB-A connector on the other end. This is your 3.5 mm connector. And finally we have this audio video jack in and out. Now let's take a look at the soundbar itself. It's a pretty long soundbar. It's it's like a foot long. There's an Instaplay logo right over here. There's a fabric mesh on top as well. I'll give you a closer look. There's a fabric mesh on top of the speakers. Otherwise, it has a solid glossy look. It's made out of plastic, but it's solid plastic. It has a very classy finish. There are some ports on this side. There's a USB port, a AUX port and a micro USB port for when you want to charge this device. This also comes with these two wall mounts. These two wall mounts, so basically when you want to screw them to a wall, you can do them over here. Anything else? There are also these rubber stops right over here, anti-skid rubber stops, so you can place them like this, or you mount them to a wall like so. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Instaplay wireless soundbar. Thank you for watching.